Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana, and you are looking at a beautiful 2021 Heritage Edition Land Cruiser, lifted on an OME BP-51 suspension. I want to talk about the actual appearance of the car because we kind of did a full chrome delete on it. The front grille we didn't touch because it already has block chrome from the factory on the grille and the headlamp links. Underneath of the headlamp, of course, they're already blocked out. That's part of the Heritage package. We deleted the chrome piece right here underneath on the window mirror. Dark tinted the windows black. This is a 20% in the front and an 85% ceramic window tint in the front. Chrome delete on the window belt molding from chrome to satin black. Deleted the Land Cruiser Retro Heritage badging. And then in the back, we smoked out the tail lights. This is not a film that we put on here. This is actual clear coat paint that's mixed with a tinting agent and then sprayed, so the rough down and then sprayed on. Looks pretty cool. We also did it on the rear reflectors. On the back, we deleted the chrome with the 070 Toyota Blizzard Pearl to match the paint itself, and of course it's primed, painted, clear coated, and then reinstalled. Same thing with Land Cruiser, it's all white, and then we did gloss black on the Toyota Sombrero and the V8 badge. Let's walk around the front real quick. We have a Prinsu full roof rack on top. We also deleted the cross member for the moonroof. And then of course the wind fairing is the non 40-inch cutout wind fairing with the noise reduction trim piece. In the front we have a Trail Tailor Hidden winch mount with a worn Zeon 12S Platinum winch, 1.5-inch Factory 55 fairlead and Ultrahook. Down here we have these are the ZR Tactical Solutions ZRTS front recovery points. They're soft shackle compatible. They're made out of billet aluminum and they're also anodized in bronze to match the wheels. Inside the car, we have the Naviplus Apple CarPlay Android Auto module behind the radio, which you can't see here. Let's pop the hood real quick if you don't mind. And we'll grab. We have a ARB twin air compressor. We did not do a dual battery setup in this particular vehicle. But we did upgrade the lead acid crank battery that Toyota has with an Odyssey Extreme. And this is just because there's some additional lights that we're drawing off of and we make sure that we had an AGM battery for that. Other than that, we did add a couple extra USB ports on the inside. Let's take a super quick look at those. Right back there. That's a Kushmal, that's a USB-A, USB-C. Dual port. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Thanks for watching and hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.